attack here, love? What's the plan of attack?
They're all out there.
It's someone's 25th birthday.
When did that happen?
The old bastard. Yeah, Mac is standing in the way here.
We can work it out.
Yeah.
We can work it out. Might get Macca to film.
Right. We do that. It's his 25th birthday, the oldest boy. It makes us feel very old.
Can I get you to film?
Yes.
Okay. Got all that on the cake.
All out. Disc golf.
I think we're good. All right, here we go.
This is his honour.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dan. Don't spit. Drive.
Oh, there you go.
Hey! 5, 10, 15, 20. Would you like to start them again so you can blow it out again?
Yes, let's do it again. And then it would be it's the closest girl, and Millie would silently just be making the sound.
Almost left town, but there's something about you.
Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be.
My yoga workouts on this beautiful deck, this beautiful day. Now everyone's back at work. And Billy the dog on guard.
Friends was worth it. Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. One moment, one shot. I don't.
Yeah.
I reckon it was the aircon belt he was talking about.
Tell me. It would only make a noise when it was on. Yeah.
Yeah, look at the cracks in it though.
No, King George Whiting, as you would, $100 a kilo. Here it is, and calamari. I don't know what calorie. It's calamari a kilo, though.
Yep.
But calamari and King George Whiting. There you go.
$500
Snags, salad, and a dog.
He's had his sausage. It's full.
There you go. We're in Queensland and Brisbane and South Australia Whiting and calamari. What do we think?
Yeah.
It's all right. We'll go back again.
Interview each person.
Interview. Yeah. Well, there's not too much left, so there you go. And the dog is Cactus.
Oh, he's actually
There you go. He's absolutely buggered.
That's all we got.
He's a bit taller than what he used to be.
Yeah. Wait, stand up. Like normal. Yeah, fine. Let's do that.
Until look at it.
Oh no, because then you're gonna make my face look like a giraffe.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Just field. Have a look at that, 239 degrees. Mrs. is looking forward to that. Your beauty. Back at Emaho again, but 3 weeks later from the last trip, and you know it's a little bit cold when you see this. Gas heater's on, and the water has frozen. Yeah, so it's 2 degrees this morning, but oh, absolutely crisp. Yeah, shorts and thongs still. That's how we roll. But we've got no water coming in the van, so it's somewhere along here the hose has frozen. Oh, yeah. Bit of frost early morning, crunch, crunch. Let's have a little look. There's the start of it. There's the start of it. There. But have a look at this little bucket. Frozen. Frozen solid. Look at that. Oh. Crispy morning. Oh yeah, that's the frozen bit. Righto. We found the problem. That's a bit cool, eh? This is Mrs. having a help out with the workout this morning. Come on, Marley. Give her a kiss.
Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, all quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good. I've never been so ready. Fire breath,
Oh.
fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye.
What's this? Fourth time lucky?
It's what we choose to be. Fire breath and open sky.
What's the result?
It's not what
You've been after?
it's where we go.
Bit of fodder.
Wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we
There we are at our logging operation. Mrs. is in the background. She's just about to jump on the excavator. Look what she's done today. No, she didn't do all that today. But she's good. This is what she did today. Just there. Kindling. Look at her go. Watch your fingers, love. This is something a bit special tonight. Have a look at the colours here. Yeah.
Nice sky tonight. Beautiful. Oh, Ollie.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise, light me up, can't get enough. Take your time, just do it right. We will rise to the skies, 'cause we ain't done till we hit the sun. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up.
Righto, well, we're leaving Emaho again. It's always a sad time because it's been really a really enjoyable experience again. We played with the cattle, played with the wood, played with some fences. You did some fencing as well. So yeah, off to Toowoomba tonight for the weekend with some friends, and then to Kingaroy, and then to Harvey Bay to see other friends as well. So yep. And then we make our trek north. Eventually we'll get to Darwin, love. Eventually. All right. Bye bye, Emaho. One last look.
Please just tell me what's on your mind, 'cause I don't have time to figure it out. We haven't been our best for long. I think that we're just holding on to something that won't work out. Maybe we should walk away.